Nun cut the paper. A paper is cut by Nun. Nun paint the sea on the paper. A paper is paint the sea by Nun. Nun drink the water. The water are drunk by Nun. Nun speak the telephone. A telephone is spoken by Nun. Nun open the door. A door is opened by Nun. Nun close the door. A door is closed by Nun. Nun come the hair. Hair is come by Nun. Nun jump on the bed. A bed is jumped by Nun. Nun stand on the chair. A chair is stood by Nun. Nun smell the shirt. A shirt is smelled by Nun.